Hello everyone, today we're learning the word allegation. An allegation is a statement saying that someone has done something wrong, but it has not been proven yet. Examples: there were allegations of cheating. The company denied the allegations. An allegation does not mean someone is guilty. An allegation is often used in law, news, and formal situations. It is important because it shows uncertainty. People must investigate before deciding what is true. That's it for allegation. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you later. Bye.